Hello, Atlantica and everyone. Um, from time to time, I get asked what's the best way to repair equipment, and the absolute best way to repair equipment is to increase your crafting skills. This is the number one way to repair equipment. Let me see if I can find somebody in here that needs their equipment repaired. And the higher your crafting skills go up, the more equipment you can repair. So say for instance I wanted to repair Ren's pants. I would just simply go in here and get the proper repair stones, click on them and repair them. And this is the way it keeps 100% durability, so it doesn't lose any durability, especially whenever your items get up to a higher level. You don't want to just repair it yourself and lose durability and lose value in the item. The other option I have that I use a lot, I know a lot of people, it's expensive if you wait until everybody's equipment is down, but I use Regime, and it'll tell you basically to repair one item how much Atlas fragments it costs. And you just and this is one of the best ways to repair your equipment. I wouldn't suggest, unless your equipment level is low enough where you can have a guild member or a nation member repair your equipment, but I wouldn't recommend just repairing it yourself. Worst case scenario, until you can find until you have the money to either enchant it to a higher level, just leave it as is. Unless it's a weapon, that's the only thing that I've noticed. If the weapon is at 0%, that it does affect its attack power. But if it's not a weapon, I'll just leave it as is until you have money to either enchant it, or you can try enhancing it. You might lose it, might go up to a higher level, but if it's low enough level, it should, once you get some money, you should be able to replace it. And there you have it. That's how I repair equipment. Someone had asked me, so I made a video. This is how I repair equipment.